How to connect Fortnite account to Nintendo Switch. Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to sync your Epic Games account so you can connect it with your Nintendo Switch. This works great for Fortnite and any other Epic Games titles. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first head over to the nintendo.com and log in and look for the sign in button in the top right corner. And once you are signed in, your Nintendo account is ready to link. Now next, go to the epicgames.com and log into your Epic Games account. Click sign in at the top of the page, and once you are logged in, navigate to the account settings. Now in your Epic Games account settings, find apps and account section in the left hand menu. Now from here, simply scroll down until you see the Nintendo Switch as an option. And once you have located that, click connect next to the Nintendo Switch, and you will get a pop-up asking for confirmation. Since you are already logged in into a Nintendo account, it will automatically detect it. Just click connect account and on the next screen agree to the terms by clicking agree in the bottom right corner. And that's it. Your Nintendo Switch is now linked to your Epic Games account. And with this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.